So friends, what is the first step to speak English is what is the first step? It would be a grammar, it would be a vocabulary, or what? So today in this video, I will tell you about the first step is speaking English is. If you want to speak English fluently like a native speaker, so what should you take the first step for speaking English? So in this video, I will tell you in detail. So again, most welcome back to our YouTube platform with another session of English learning. I'm an English educator and learner. So let's dive in without any delay and aggression. This video, I will tell you about the first step that you can take to speak English very fluently like a native speaker. So friends, you no need enough vocabulary, you no need grammar rules to speak English fluently. If you wanna speak English, you do something new that what I wanna share with you in this video. So friends, uh, the first step to speak English is listening. We all know that listening is a foundation of language learning, any language learning. If you wanna speak any language fluently, you should listen first. So first step to speak English fluently is listening. If you wanna speak like a native speaker, so you should do listen more and more. How to improve listening skill? You should improve your listening skills. You should improve your listening skill to enhance your speaking skills. So first step to speak English very fluently is listening, and you should listen everything in English. We all know that, and you have all use your social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you watch in just trying to watch in English language, uh, whatever you like. All the English videos are available on YouTube platform, Facebook and Instagram. Just trying to watch in English language so you can improve and enhance your speaking skills and listening skills. I highly insist you to watch videos on English language. Uh, just listen English stories, English cartoon series, English movies, movie clips, and all these videos are available on YouTube. I mostly recommend you, right, and I insist you to watch a native speaker, because by the if you watch the native speaker, that's so you can enhance and improve your pronunciation skills also. So watch new YouTube videos on English language to enhance your vocabulary and enhance your listening skill. So friends, it's the first step to speak English. So listening is a very important, friends, that I want to tell you in this video. So friends, listening is a very important point that I have included in this video to improve your English speaking skills. So if you want to be fluent in a less time, so you should do listen and more listen. Only and only listening. We all know that we learn our native language by listening. So listening is the most important part and play a pivotal role for speaking English language. In any language, we learn our native language by listening and listening. When we born, all our parents and siblings and all the members of our family are speak our native language, and we only listen that and we learn. So listening is a foundation for any language learning. So remember that listening can make you fluent English speaker. I hope you like the video, and that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow with another session of English learning. Okay, so goodbye, take care, see you.